Ferrari has recently unveiled its latest masterpiece, the flagship model named Ferrari 12 Cilindri. As the name suggests, this new car features a 12-cylinder power unit and serves as a direct successor to the 812 Superfast. The new model has sparked considerable interest among fans of the brand. The design team at Ferrari Style Center, led by Flavio Mansonia, made bold changes to the stylistic codes of previous Ferrari models with a 12-cylinder engine. The Ferrari 12 Cilindri represents a significant departure from the design language seen in the 812 family. Instead of complexity, the new model embraces simplicity. Its appearance is defined by clean lines and geometrically precise shapes, particularly evident in the side panels. To infuse more emotion, the car features a sculpted hood with strategically placed vents. Notably, the front end has moved away from elongated headlights and the traditional radiator grille, opting for a more streamlined and straight-lined approach. The new car features sharply shaped LED headlights with neatly integrated daytime running lights underneath them. The rear architecture also follows a similar design approach, with LED taillights scattered throughout the curved rear end. A massive diffuser and a 400 release system are positioned below the taillights. When viewed as a whole, the car's style and shape evoke memories of the long-forgotten Ferrari 365 from the 1970s, with certain similarities between the two models. Overall, the car stands out as an interesting and unusual design. The interior design of the new Ferrari 12-cylinder is nearly symmetrical, featuring two distinct zones, one for the driver and one for the passenger. The instrument panel extends horizontally and is fully digital, with a diagonal measurement of 15.6 inches. All main functions can be controlled from a central 10-inch touchscreen display, which is accessible to both the driver and the passenger. Additionally, the passenger has their own separate 8.8-inch display, a feature found in all the latest Ferrari models. The new Ferrari model boasts 3 displays, all powered by an innovative interface. Additionally, it features a touch-sensitive steering wheel, a common feature across the latest models in the Ferrari lineup. The car is equipped with support for both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless control from the central display. Wireless charging is available in the center tunnel as a standard feature. For audiophiles, Ferrari offers an optional high-quality audio system developed in collaboration with Burmester. This system includes 15 speakers with a robust power output of 1,600 watts. However, these details pale in comparison to the car's impressive technical specifications, which truly steal the spotlight. The vehicle features an all-aluminum chassis with a slightly shorter wheelbase compared to the 812 model. The new super chassis design incorporates different cast components and updated shock absorbers. Despite these changes, the car maintains its weight at around 1,560 kilograms. Notably, the handling stiffness has improved by 15% compared to the 812, resulting in more predictable behavior on the road. Additionally, the car is equipped with a modern dynamic control system, front-mounted engine, electronic braking system, and a proprietary sensor for precise suspension and lateral slip control. Aluminum chassis designs offer a balance between rigidity and weight reduction, contributing to improved performance and fuel efficiency. The car features an innovative torque management logic, seamlessly integrated with an independent four-wheel steering system. Introduced in the special edition 812 Vision, this system independently controls the rotation of each wheel, enhancing cornering efficiency. The car's nearly ideal weight distribution allocates 48.4% of the weight to the front axle and 51.6% to the rear axle, contributing significantly to its performance. At the heart of it all is the naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engine, with a 6.5-liter volume, continuing the legacy of the company's renowned 12-cylinder models. In contrast to prevailing modern trends, the new engine bears the index 140, representing a fresh iteration of the iconic power plant without forced induction. This 12-cylinder engine boasts an impressive output of 830 horsepower, with its maximum speed now reaching 9,500 revolutions per minute RPM, thanks to intricate and innovative engineering solutions. The torque output stands at 678 Newton meters. However, achieving this performance requires revving the engine up to 7,250 revolutions per minute. Notably, the engine incorporates modified components and software, some of which were previously employed in the special 812 series, enabling the 12-cylinder model to achieve such high revs. The engineers have implemented several weight-saving measures in the engine components. Notably, they've utilized a titanium connecting rod, resulting in up to a 40% reduction in rotating mass compared to steel rods with equivalent mechanical strength. Additionally, a different aluminum alloy was chosen for the pistons, making them lighter than those in previous models. Further weight reduction was achieved by optimizing the shaft design, resulting in a 3% weight reduction. The sliding metal valve mechanism draws from Ferrari's Formula One expertise and was specifically developed for the 12-cylinder engine to reduce weight while enhancing valve performance. Overall, these modifications aim to optimize torque transmission across various operating conditions. Regarding the price, the coupe version equipped with a naturally aspirated engine comes with a price tag of $424,000. However, if you opt for the open top variant with an air system, you need to shell out $467,000. Whether this new offering justifies the cost is a subjective decision. What's undeniable is that this car is a rare gem in today's automotive landscape, and rarity often comes at a premium. Thank you for tuning in, and if you don't want to miss future content, consider subscribing to our channel. Good day to everyone, and see you soon.